In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a moving background effect in Google Meet. To begin, open Google Meet and join the meeting you want to use the effect in. Once you are in the meeting, look toward the bottom of the screen. You should see the control bar, which contains common buttons for things like microphone and camera. Next, click the More Options button. This button is represented by 3 vertical dots. When you click it, a small menu should appear. After the menu opens, select Apply Visual Effects. In this section, Google Meet organizes options by types of effects, such as blurring and personal backgrounds. Now you will find the section called Blur and Personal Backgrounds. Within that section, look for a plus icon. The plus icon is used to add something new, such as uploading your own background file. Click the plus icon under Blur and Personal Backgrounds. Once you click the plus icon, you should be prompted to choose a file from your computer. When the file picker appears, locate your MP4 video file. As soon as you choose the MP4 file, the animation should apply immediately. You may see your camera preview update, showing the moving background effect behind you. At this point, take a brief moment to check that the effect looks the way you expected. Confirm that the animation is playing and that it stays in the background without covering your face or interfering with your presence. That covers everything you need to know.